friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what is selectivity in SQL Server, how to understand the selectivity. So we are going to see in today's video. So let's go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand. I'm opening SQL Server Management Studio. So for today's demo purpose, I'm using table employee table. Okay. First, let's try to execute it. What it contains. So it contains around 15 columns and 286 rows of data. Okay, now we'll try to find the selectivity of different columns, around 3-4 columns, and we'll see how to calculate selectivity. So basically selectivity always between 1 and 0. It means if the selectivity is 1 means unique values and less number of records. If selectivity is other than 1 means more number of values and duplicate values. For example, in employee table, if I want to find the selectivity, so it's 1 because this column contains the distinct values only, so it always be 1 only. For example, if I'm trying to find the selectivity, the formula is selectivity is equal to distinct number of records divided by total number of records. Here distinct number of records we'll try to find for the employee ID. Okay, distinct employee ID. Okay, try to execute it. The total row count is 286 and we'll try to find the distinct. So here also 286, it means so 286 divided by 286. So for this column the selectivity will be 1, so it is always be distinct values and unique values only, and it returns the very less number of rows if you use any predicate in the very condition. Okay, but if you try to find the selectivity for these two columns, for example, we'll go for the gender column. Okay, we'll try to find the what is the distinct number of records, gender. So try to execute it. So here 2 case out of 286 we have only 2 values, so we'll try to find the selectivity for this column. Okay, so 2 divided by 286. So for this column selectivity is 0.006993. okay, so if you use any predicate, by default you will get more number of values and duplicate values it will come. Okay, so that's why we can identify the selectivity of any column, and we'll try to see some other examples so that we'll get more understanding. So in this case we'll try to find manager ID selectivity for this column. What is the selectivity? So first of all we'll try to find the distinct number of rows in this table. Okay, manager ID, and execute it, and we'll see how many records are there. So there are 48 records are there, distinct number of records out of 286. Now I will try to find the selectivity. 48 divided by 286. okay, so here selectivity is 0.167 for this column. So likewise we can find the selectivity of any column. For example, as I told you, for the employee ID selectivity is 1. In case if I use any predicate for in select statement, employee ID is equal to 1 means it always gives the distinct value records and less number of records only. But in case if I given the gender column as male or female, we will try to find how many records will come. So we'll get more number of records and there are a lot of duplicate records it will come, right? So duplicate values for this column. So likewise we'll try to find the selectivity of the column. So that's all for today's video. So we'll try to see some other different concept in the next video. So please try to watch my previous videos. So I have explained all the different concepts in very great detail. So if you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for other videos.